I can't tell you how far away I was from being interested in a relationship. Or, in any form of commitment. Or, any version of an entanglement. After years of jumping from one relationship to another, I was finally free. I had no interest in sharing a life I had just found. When he told me, very directly, that he was interested in me, my answer was that from every possible angle it was a terrible idea. I walked away. The very first time I felt his body against mine, what I blurted out was, "I am in so much trouble." After that, what I told myself was that this was an anomaly I could manage. If I didn't get attached. If I didn't get involved. If I kept things under control. How hard could it be? I didn't want any of the things he couldn't offer me. But then I thought of him all the time. What was I supposed to do with all this thinking? I had many other things going on, a full life, yet his existence began to feel like an unintended center of gravity. How? How, if the center of gravity was me? I had to learn every day how to hold things loosely. How to love something that would never be mine, not just because it couldn't, but because I didn't want it to be. I had to learn how to carry things around that I wanted to say but never got a chance to. I'd make notes only to find them obsolete a day or two later. In my dreams I would walk into dark, empty rooms littered with crumpled sheets of white-lined paper. I had to learn how to stop being so afraid. If I could go back and change the course of that no-name thing, I would not. Most of all because opening myself up to that experience with earnestness, with my whole heart, expressing what I was feeling as clearly as I knew how, was one of the bravest things I'd ever done. What I do want to say is that if you ever tell yourself, "We can be friends with benefits and not love," or, "We can see other people but not get attached," or, "I can take part in this without getting emotionally involved," I would tell you this: be careful. Be careful, because the fact is our hearts are not governable.